this video, I am going to show you how to make a deposit to Bybit app. Step 1. Open the app and tap on Assets at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Tap on the Deposit button to begin the deposit process. 2. You will see a list of currencies available for deposit. Choose your desired currency directly or use the search box to find the specific currency you wish to deposit. 3. On the deposit page, ensure you select the correct chain type for the currency you're depositing. Use the QR code scanner or copy the deposit address provided. This is the address you'll send your funds to from an external wallet or other exchange. By default, deposits are credited to your funding account. If you wish to change the default deposit amount or account, you can select the option to channel deposits to your spot, derivatives, or other specific accounts. And now you can use your deposited amount to buy crypto and start trading on Bybit. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.